Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about substitution for definite integrals.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, the integral from 0 to 1 of a negative 8x over 4x squared plus 2 all squared dx, and we're given a u value of 4x squared plus 2, and we need to evaluate this definite integral. Now, they're already giving us the u value, so let's go find my du value. The derivative of 4x squared plus 2, we take the 2 times the 4, get the 8. We have an 8x, ignore the 2, goes away, dx. Pretty simple du here. So see if we can write this integral in terms of u. Well, we have a u down here that gave us the 4x squared plus 2. My du, we have 8x dx, right here, pretty simple. So we can rewrite this in terms of u. Integral, ignore the 0 to 1 right now, and we have a negative, don't forget it, 1 over u squared du. Now we have to change our bounds from 0 to 1 is in terms of x, we need it in terms of u. So we take our u value, u1, 4, we put the lower value of 0 in for x. And this will help us, or get us, the integral in terms of u and our bounds. Well, 0 squared is 0, times 4 is 0, plus 2 is 2. We do the same thing, the second value of being a 1, plug it into our u value. 1 squared 1 times 4 is 4, plus 2 is 6. And now we have a much easier integral to solve, the integral from 2 to 6 of a negative 1 over u squared du. So what does this integral turn out to be? Well, the integral of negative 1 over u squared turns out to be just a 1 over u, and we're integrating this from 2 to 6. Well, our rules state we plug in 6 first, so we have 1 over 6 minus 2, 1 over 2. Pretty simple there. 1/6 minus a 1/2 comes out to be a negative 1/3, which is equal to a negative 0.3, repeating. Okay? I prefer negative 1/3. And there we have it. Our final answer here, when we evaluate this definite integral, we convert it in terms of u, we got a final answer of a negative 1/3. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.